Imagine life as an infinitely long story, stretching back billions of years. It's a narrative written across continents and oceans, through fire and ice. And the most incredible part? We are characters within this grand, unfolding saga. This is the journey of life, from its mysterious origins to the vibrant world we inhabit today. About 4 billion years ago, Earth was a raw, untamed planet. It was a place of intense heat, volcanic fury, and constant bombardment. Yet within this chaos, the first stirrings of possibility emerged. In the primordial waters, simple chemical compounds formed. These were the basic ingredients, the fundamental building blocks of everything that would follow. Energy from lightning, volcanoes, and sunlight fueled reactions among these molecules. Slowly, these simple chemicals assembled into more complex structures. Crucially, some gained the ability to replicate themselves, making copies. This was the astonishing moment life emerged from non-living matter, a process known as abiogenesis. By 3.5 billion years ago, life had taken hold. It existed as tiny single-celled organisms. These were simple bacteria and archaea, lacking a complex internal structure or a nucleus. For billions of years, these microbes were the sole inhabitants of Earth. They were masters of survival, adapting to every niche. They fundamentally changed the planet, slowly releasing oxygen into the atmosphere as a byproduct of their metabolism. This oxygenation event was one of the most significant transformations in Earth's history. It paved the way for more complex life forms that would later evolve. The microbial world laid the foundation for everything. Around 2 billion years ago, a revolutionary step occurred. Some simple cells began to merge or engulf others. Instead of being consumed, the engulfed cells survived and became integrated partners. This symbiotic relationship led to the first eukaryotic cells. These were larger, more complex cells, containing a nucleus to house their genetic material and specialized organelles like mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. This innovation provided the energy and organization needed for life to become much more sophisticated. It was a pivotal moment, unlocking vast new evolutionary potential. With complex cells established, the next frontier was cooperation. Why remain a single unit when you could form a collective? About 600 million years ago, complex cells began to aggregate and specialize. They formed the first multicellular organisms. Initially simple, like sponges or early soft-bodied creatures, these organisms represented a new level of biological organization. Cells worked together, sharing tasks. This led to an explosion of diversity. Organisms developed tissues, organs, and body plans. Suddenly, life could have limbs, senses, and complex behaviors. Evolution accelerated dramatically. For eons, life thrived almost exclusively in the oceans, but the land offered new opportunities and challenges. Around 450 million years ago, life began its slow, arduous migration onto solid ground. Plants were among the first pioneers, adapting to survive out of water. They transformed the barren continents, creating new habitats. Following the plants came animals, first invertebrates like insects, then vertebrates. Developing lungs to breathe air and limbs for movement were crucial adaptations. Life diversified rapidly on land, filling the newly available ecological niches. Earth's surface began to teem with activity. The age of dinosaurs dawned around 250 million years ago. These magnificent reptiles dominated the planet for over 150 million years, evolving into an astonishing array of forms. They were the rulers of the Mesozoic era. During this time, small, often nocturnal, mammals also evolved. They lived in the shadow of the dinosaurs, developing traits like warm-bloodedness and fur. Their time would come. Around 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event, likely an asteroid impact, caused a mass extinction. The reign of the dinosaurs ended abruptly. This cleared the way for the surviving mammals to diversify and flourish. From a lineage of mammals that adapted to life in the trees, primates evolved over millions of years. One branch of this lineage began to walk upright on 2 legs, freeing their hands. They developed increasingly complex brains, enabling tool use, intricate social structures, and sophisticated communication. This led to the emergence of Homo sapiens, our own species, roughly 300,000 years ago. We harnessed fire, created art, built complex societies, and developed the capacity for abstract thought and understanding the world around us. Our impact on the planet began to grow. Today, Earth is home to an astonishing variety of life forms. From microscopic bacteria thriving in extreme environments to the largest animals on the planet, life is everywhere. Forests, deserts, oceans, and even cities are filled with the products of billions of years of evolution. Every species, every individual organism is a link in this unbroken chain of life. This incredible diversity is the result of constant adaptation, survival, and change. The story of life is not over. It continues to be written every single day. We are not just observers of this epic tale. We are active participants with the profound responsibility to understand and protect the living world that is our shared heritage. Life is so great, isn't it? What a great story!